In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in Asana, a tool that can significantly enhance your project management efficiency. Dependencies in Asana allow you to define the sequence of tasks that must be completed to keep your projects moving seamlessly. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up to ensure that your workflow is as smooth as possible. To begin, we'll first need to navigate to Asana. If you haven't already, open your web browser, head over to the Asana website, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see a summary of your tasks, projects, and other useful information. The next step is to locate and click on your project. This will open the project details, giving you a view of all the tasks and their statuses, timelines, and any notes you have attached. Within this space, you can manage tasks effectively and understand the overall progress of your project. Once in your project, you need to find and click on the specific task you want to add dependencies to. This will bring up the task pane, revealing all the details related to that task. Here, you can make edits, add detailed descriptions, set due dates, and much more, allowing you to manage the task thoroughly. Now, to add a dependency, look for the Add Dependencies button within the task pane. Click on it, and it will prompt you to choose a task. Selecting a task as a dependency means it needs to be completed before the task you're working on can proceed. It's a fantastic way to ensure that everyone on your team knows the sequence of tasks and what needs to be tackled first. Once you've selected your dependencies, you can see them clearly listed in the task details area. As you manage your project, you'll find that sometimes you need to add more dependencies or adjust them as your plans evolve. In Asana, this is easily done. Simply click Add Another if you need additional dependencies, ensuring your project remains on track and flexible to the changes inherent in any project workflow. You can also edit these dependencies by using the By Blocking option. This gives you the flexibility to modify dependencies in a way that suits the evolving needs of your project, keeping your tasks organized and your workflow uninterrupted. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage and set dependencies in Asana. By ensuring tasks are completed in a logical order, you're not only enhancing productivity, but also streamlining communication within your team. We hope this tutorial helps you manage your projects more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy planning!